Madea, I ain't talking Tyler Perry. And that nigga in my DM, tell me why this nigga married. Saying he the plug, but the nigga doesn't even carry. Pretty bitch all up on the scene, we be in the club. Tell the owner better have that bag or we ain't showing up. Baby next when we walk by, they still be showing love. Having niggas pull up and make you give it up. I ain't got no love for a nigga, push him to the side. Talking about he wanna have a baby, nigga lost his mind. I'm too busy making all this money, I ain't got time to slide. Never ever let a broke nigga ever waste your time. They can never shut me up cause I got shit to say. I probably bag his chicken, probably dip her in some Chick-fil-A. Always got a hater, make these bitches feel some type of way. It could be a new day, these basic bitches stay the same. When I do it, you know I'm sturdy. Fuck these bitches, they be dirty. Telling niggas that they 21 when they really 30.
If I don't know you, why the fuck would I shake your hand? Niggas think they catching bodies talking on that Instagram. Slanging work out your mom's crib, you know that I'm the man. But if the cops come, I'm out the window like I'm Peter Pan. And I be getting busy, ain't nobody fucking with me. Don't you ever play me out, I'm always rolling with a blicky. And my Glock be disrespectful, but I shoot it like a boss. With a ladder that's attached in my way, you shouldn't cross. And my shooters be on demon time, they ready, they be rocking out. Females like a Sean, they ain't playing, they probably knock you out. I try to stop the violence, but it's hard as one, I'm all around. And yeah, I'm from the jungle, I'm a beast, I'm never tapping out. Every time I'm getting Benji, everybody wanna fall. The way I'm feeling right now is like I'm walking through the Super Bowl. And fuck all the other shit, I come through like 100 clip. You niggas ain't shit, you irrelevant. Like one hand, I'm running shit. Like slow down cause I spit it fast. Beat the pussy like a punch of bag. She asking me where the money at, I bet it all, but she throw it back.
You know they say the best for last. Fuck your bitch and that's my bag. I been in my money bag. I need cash fast, never slow. I feel like I'm swervo. I'm gon' go, shirt is low, and these sneaks is Fazos. I keep my head high, my block low. This stupid boy is loaded. Feeling like I'm big 30, I got my 30 on it. Never been scared to show it. I might turn shiesty and blow it. Niggas hating and I know it. They don't say it, they just show it. Cause when they scared, you know that they gon' pull the trigger, yeah. I don't conversate with these niggas cause they fold, yeah. Niggas dying from them triggers, get shit getting tricky, yeah. Niggas mad, I'm scared, can they get they bitch back? Got these niggas sad while I'm racking up these racks, yeah. Oh, she fucking with a savage, fuck that from the back, yeah. You know that I'm a doggy dog, but I ain't chasing cat, yeah. You know how I just keep it raw, but just know that I'm strapped, yeah. Free all the guys that from the trap, hope one day they make it back. They gon' play this in the slant, cause they know this shit gon' slack.